In this video, I am discussing post standard mathematics, chapter 5, multiplication, exercise 5.3. Before going to exercise, see some basic concepts. Example, a lorry can carry 142 bags of onions. One lorry carry 142 bags of onion. What is the total number of onion bags that tall lorry can carry? Just multiply 142 into 12. You will get required answer. First, start with unit digit. That means 2. 2 into 2, 4. 2 into 4 is 8. 2 into 1 is 2. Unit digit completed. That's why put a plus here or any mark. Next, start with 1. 1 into 2 is 2. 1 into 4 is 4. 1 into 1 is 1. Add all these. 4, 8 plus 2, 10. Put 0 in 10 place and carry 1. 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 1, 1. 1,704 onion bags total in 12 lorries. Total 1,000 1,704 onion bags. Exercise 5.3. Multiply these 31 into 4. Just do multiplication this type. You will get easily answer. 4 into 1 is 4. 4 into 3. 4 3s are 12. 124 as answer. 50 into 3. 50 into 3. 5 into 0 is 0. 5 into 3 is 5 3 is 15. 3 into 0 is 0. 3 into 5 is 15. 150 as the answer. And the third one, 210 into 40. 210 into 40. Start with 0. 0 into anything is 0. 0 into 1 is 0. 0 into 0, 0. 0 into 1 is 0. 0 into 0 into 0. 0 into 1. 0 into 2 is 0. Plus 4 into 0 is 0. 4 into 1 is 4. 4 into 2 is 2. Add all these. 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 4 is 4. 2. Answer is 2,400. Next, 52 into 22. 2 into 2 is, start with unit digits. 2 into 2 is 4. 2 into 5 is 10. Similarly, 2 into 2 is 4. 2 into 5 is 10. Add all these. 4, 4, 1, 1. 1,144 as answer. Next, 231 and 231. 1 into 1 is 1, 1 into 3 is 3, 1 into 2 is 2, plus 3 into 1 is 3, 3 into 3 is 9, 3 into 2 is 6. Add all these 1, 3 plus 3 is 6, 2 plus 9 is 11, 11 put 1 in 100 place and carry 1, 6 plus 1, 7. This is 7,161. Next, 102 into 43. 102 into 43. Start with 3. 3 into 2 is 6. 3 into 0 is 0. 3 into 1 is 3. Plus 4 into 2 is 8. 4 into 0, 0. 4 into 1 is 4. Add all these. 6. 0 plus 8 is 8. 3 plus 0 is 3. 4. 4,386. These statement based problems. These are statement based problems. First one, the cost of 1 meter cloth is 32. What is the cost of 4 meter cloth? 2 into 4 will get required answer. 4 twos are 8. 4 threes are 1. 4 threes are 12. Answer is cost of 4 meter cloth is 128 rupees. This is rupees 128. Cost of 4 meter cloth is 128 rupees. Put a symbol for rupees. Second one, 1 kilogram or 1 kilogram of rice cost 40 rupees. What is the cost of 5 kilogram rice? 40 into 5, you will get required answer. 5 into 0 is 0. 5 fours are 20. Cost of this is rupees 200. Therefore, cost of 5 kilogram 5 kg of rice is 200 rupees. Rs 200 rupees. Third one, a cinema hall has 32 rows and each row has 42 seats. Find the number of seats in the cinema hall. Just multiply 32 into 42. 2 2 twos are 4. 2 threes are 6 plus 4 twos are 8. 4 threes are 12. Add all these. 4. 6 plus 8 is 14. 4 carry 1. 2 plus 1, 3, 1. Seats in the number of seats in the cinema hall is number of seats in the cinema hall. all is 1344. Sonam Somanna Somanna manufactures 122 bricks in a day. One day he manufactures 122 bricks in his factory. How many bricks can he make in 24 days? In one day, Somanna prepare 122 bricks. They are asking for 24 days. Therefore, multiply 122 into 24. 4 to the 8. 4 to the 8. 4 on the 4 plus 2 to the 4. 2 to the 4. 2 on the 2. Add all these 8. 4 plus 8 plus 4 is 12 to carry 1. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 1, 9, 2. Somanna prepares. Somanna. Somanna make 2928 bricks in 24 days. This completes your exercise 5.3. If you like the video, hit the like button. Subscribe this channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.